tunafanya tunaendelea. In the unlikely event ya makosa kutoka. Lastly, this facility has Wi-Fi. Ukiweka Wi-Fi yako on, itakupatia MMUST, MUST. BYOB, buy your own bundles. Tukulete hapa sherehe kubwa ni kutaka tukupatie free wifi saitana. Ile kupokeza msichana walikuwa wanafanya during the moon season. You know, there are times when people used to celebrate moon at night. Umetokea mwezi ni sherehe. What were they wearing? Vijana wakitoka rani. That's what we are about to showcase. It's our cultural heritage. Remember, this university. Let's appreciate it. When you go to university, when you go to university, let's appreciate Kaimosi University. Students from Moi University, Eldoret, let's appreciate it. We have students are from the host university, MUST. Let's appreciate MUST students of Ghana. And to take care of this, to take care of the whole event, will be the judges. Hawa ndio majaji wetu. Hawa ndio watatuambia ni nani alikuwa mbora zaidi kwa kategori yake. Nani alikuwa mzuri zaidi kwa kategori fulani. Kisha watatuambia overall Mr. Utamaduni 2025-2026 ni nani? Asante sana. The second judge is Judge Grace Aloj. Please, let's appreciate Judge Grace. And last but not least, Mzee wa kazi, Kaka Zak. Kaka, actually Kaka is his name, not Kaka for just saying Brother Zak. He is Judge Kaka Zak Momanyi. Let's appreciate Judge Momanyi. Asante sana. Can we get this show started? Can we get this show started? I know that energy is not good. Are you ready for the show? Hapana, hamko tayari jamani. Are you ready for the fashion show? Are you ready for the fashion show? Muko tayari? A lecturer in this very university anafunza watu ambao wanasumbuliwa na lugha, watu ambao wanaita Mungu mbuzi. Oh my God, oh my God.